In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a co-host in Airbnb. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your host account. If you use both the app and the website, the layout may look a little different depending on your device, but the overall process is very similar. Once you're signed in, make sure you're in hosting mode. This is important because the hosting tools and listing management options only appear when you're viewing Airbnb as a host. From there, go to your listing section and choose the property you want to manage. If you have more than one listing, take a second to confirm that you're opening the correct one before making any changes. This helps avoid sending an invitation for the wrong property. Next, open the listing settings and look for the section labeled co-host or hosting team. Airbnb may use slightly different wording depending on your region or the version of the platform you're using, but you're looking for the area where additional people can help manage the listing. Once you're there, click or tap Invite a co-host. Airbnb will then prompt you to enter the co-host's email address, or in some cases, select them if they already appear in your hosting network. Be sure to enter the correct email address associated with their Airbnb account so the invitation goes to the right person. After that, review the co-host permissions carefully. This part matters because you can decide what the co-host will be allowed to manage. For example, you may be able to give them access to guest messages, your calendar, reservations, or pricing controls. Choose the permission level that makes sense for how much support you want them to provide. When everything looks right, send the invitation. At that point, Airbnb will notify the person you've invited and they will need to accept the invitation from their own Airbnb account before they become an active co-host. Once the invitation has been sent, the next step is simply to wait for the co-host to accept. If they don't see it right away, you may want to remind them to check their Airbnb notifications or account messages. Finally, confirm that the co-host has been added by going back to the co-host section of your listing. If the invitation has been accepted successfully, their status should be updated there. And that's it. You've now invited a co-host in Airbnb, which can make managing your listing much easier, especially if you share hosting responsibilities with someone else.